Get noticed in this 2011 Holden Cruise.
Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle.
Choosing a car with low kilometres is the right choice.
Connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission.
Better mileage means better driving, and this vehicle delivers with low fuel consumption.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, audio input for your iPod, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.